In the name of Allah, most gracious and most merciful. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be fine. As we know that all the world is suffering from COVID-19 disease, don't panic about it. Just wash your hands with soap, use sanitizers, avoid public meetings, and maintain the social distance. This will ultimately help you to fight with this disease. Be mentally strong. Now we move towards today's topic of class 8, that is comprehension. Let's start. As you read, always ask yourself if what you just read makes sense. If it doesn't, it could mean that a word with multiple meanings is tripping you up. Try other meanings for the word in that sentence, then read it, reread it. If you are still stumped, you may need to use a dictionary. Try this strategy with the story Blow. So let's start the reading of the story. It was the first day of the school, and Josh knew it wasn't going to be a good one. It was only 8:10 and he was already running late and had already gotten into a row with his mother. As he tore down the path to catch the bus, he felt bad about leaving his mom still sore. After all, she was right. He should have gotten up when the alarm went off. The driver waited just a moment before shutting the bus doors. In the next paragraph, Josh froze in his tracks as he watched the bus pull away. Pull away means that the bus has gone. Now he would have to go back home and not only face his mom, but also ask her for a ride to school. George squeezed his eyes tight for a moment, then opened them wide. His mom said that this relieves tension. I hoped she was doing it too. Then he shoved his hands into his pockets and walked back home. Shoved means put his hands into his pockets. In the next paragraph, Mom didn't even look shocked to see him when he came back in the door. It was more of a glare. Josh knew what that meant. I told you so. Rather than trump up some defense for himself, he just apologized and sweetly asked for a ride to school. Mom's face softened and she went to get her case. Students, there are various words which are used in the context of the passage. Here is some matter. Here is the same matter. For example, the meaning of the running is no doubt moving swiftly by foot. But when we read the text, it clearly shows that it means in a condition of. So there is the question underline the correct meaning of each word below as it is used in this story. First one is running. So the meaning of the running that is used in this context is in a condition of. The next one is row. Row means crawl or squabble. Third one is tore. Tore means moved very quickly. Fourth one, catch. Overtake, get to. Fifth one, froze. Stopped, motionless. Sixth one, face. Means confront. Seventh one, tension, means mental stress. Eighth one, glare, means disapproving look. Ninth one, trump, means an advantage. And tenth one, softened, that means become gentler. Now move to the questions. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What was mom sore about? The meaning of sore is angry, so the answer is Josh couldn't get up when the alarm went off. That's why his mom was sore. Question number 2. What made mom get over being mad? So the answer is Josh had missed his bus and came back at home. That's why mom gave him a disapproving look. Hope so you get this. See you in the next lecture. Until then, Allah Hafiz.